Hello everyone, today we'll have a look at these two items. This is a waterless aroma diffuser. It uses essential oils and no water needed. The second one is a smart car diffuser, which is also waterless and uses only essential oils. We'll start with the smaller one. As you can see, there is no brand, it's just a generic box. And here the name is Nebulizing Diffuser model A200, 5 volt, 1.3 watts, and these are the dimensions and 300 gram. And some safety notice: not edible, stay away from children and pets, avoid contact with skin and eye, please store it vertically, and do not dump to avoid liquid overflow. Avoid dripping, beware of corrosion damage. Use a secure power source, keep in an upright position, clean and maintain regularly, do not disassemble. Maybe we are not gonna follow the last one. This one, it's a smart car diffuser, so probably this is smarter than this one, not sure. Smart car and home dual use fragrance machine, and machine is spelled without the E. And that's all, no more information. Color, nothing. Let's start with this one. Inside we have 3 language user manual. We have English, Japanese and German. These manuals will be scanned and will be at the end of this video if you would like to have a read. This is the machine itself. It looks nice. And here the model number is different than what was in the box. It's UX1-DF-A200. Here is mentioned it's just A200, so there is a similarity. 1.3 watts, 2000 milliamps hour, the battery capacity. 3 rubber feet. Plastic feels good quality. There's a film here that we need to peel off. Here we have the power switch, the hole where the mist comes out, and here is the essential oil bottles goes, I believe, and you can store the cap here so it will not get lost. Nice attention to detail. Okay, USB-C, that's the charging port, and it comes with a bottle of essential oil, 10 milliliters. White tea. So that's the smells nice. It almost smells like cosmetics. So we'll put this aside, or let's just test it. Turn it on. Oh, so there's light coming from the hole, so the aroma, you can see the aroma. It's making a noise. Nothing coming out because we didn't install the bottle yet. Let's check the other one. Okay, we got more stuff here. Oh, there's another box. It's just a shield. So these are made by Lacidoll. And here we have also information in 3 languages: Japanese, English, and German. The user manual, here we have the brand name akacozie Scent Aroma Diffuser, model number AKA-DF-A50. Again, this user manual will be scanned and it will be at the end of this video. Oops. So this is the diffusers aluminum power switch, 3 LED holes, I think, AKA-DF-A50, capacity 10 mil, 1 watt, and yeah, that's it. That's the hole where the mist come out. Here we have an empty bottle. So unlike the other one, this one didn't come with any essential oils. So we need to fill it manually. And here we have, why do we need this? We're not gonna fill it drop by drop. Anyways, so there's no contact from this bottle to anything here. So I think it's just ultrasonic vibration, or we do have a hole here that goes to, I think there's a hole there or something. Hard to see. Yeah, there's a hole and there's air coming out from it. Turn it off. Yeah, now we have air coming out. So it turns off and there's LED blinking. It's not blinking, it's just so probably because there's nothing inside, because it's empty. Here is the USB cable, I believe. Yes, USB cable, and that's all. So let's test them. For this I need to buy essential oils, unless we can use this. Is this the same bottle? Yes, the same bottle, except this one has the thing on top, and we have the rubber ring. Okay, let's start with this one. To install it, first remove the protective cap, put it underneath, open the aroma bottle, and flip this upside down and twist it downward like so. Then flip it this way. Okay, this keeps falling off. Now we need to turn it on and see. I already can smell the aroma. Okay, there is mist coming out. And this cap keeps falling off, which is annoying. Okay, I dimmed the room so it will be visible. You can see the mist coming out. Okay, now it looks like fire. I like the effect. And it turns off, so it works periodically. You see, there's no LED light. It's hard to know if it's on or off. Here it says 5 minutes, so I guess it works for 5 minutes, then turns off. I like the effect. It looks like fire, but I don't like the sound. It's a little bit noisy. That's not 5 minutes, so I'm not sure how long it will keep working. Let's try to change the setting. Okay, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes. Okay, I can smell it if I put my nose closer to it. Otherwise, now I cannot smell anything. Maybe because I got used to it. You can see the light coming through the plastic, which is not nice, especially during at night. This will light up, which is not really nice. I prefer if only the mist was lighting up. Yeah, I will check it in total darkness and see how it looks like. But for now, let's go to the other one. So maybe we'll use this to use this for the other one. I think we can do that. To clean it, turn it on without the bottle and put your finger on this, so all the air will push the oil from this hole, and you can clean it manually. So let's try to use the other one, and I will remove this cap. Since the bottle is similar, so it's easier this way. Yeah. Okay. This one has no light, but there is mist coming out. Same noise. Similar because there is a air pump inside. Keep turning off, so I'm not sure what's going on. Hard to show you the mist, but there is mist. There is tiny amount of mist coming out. Yeah, I don't know. I think I like this one more because they both do the same job, but this one is smaller, and I like the light effect, and I like that the bottle is visible, so you know how much left. And I like the fact that it came with the essential oils while this came empty. Maybe this one has a bigger battery. Maybe it will last longer, but still, this one is 200 milliamps hour, and this one doesn't say the capacity of the battery. It's a car diffuser, so let's test it here in the car. It fits in the cup holder like so, and you can see the mist clearly here. So yeah, I think this is a nice choice if you want to use it in the car. If you want to use it at home, I think this is better because this will not fit in the cup holder. Let's try opening this. I think there are 4 screws underneath, under the feet. Let's see. Yeah, we do have screws. I think the black piece comes out. We'll use this to pull. Yeah, here we go. Have a pump with a peeled off sticker. It's 5-volt motor, and this is the pump. That's the battery, 2000 milliamps hour, so it's correct. And that's the circuit board. Not much going on. That's the button there. The charge controller, by the look of it. This is the USB port, and That's the LED down there. It's very simple. So the pump pumps air, goes to the oil and make it misting out or evaporating. Yeah, it's very simple. Let's open the other one. So probably same thing, screws under the feet. Yeah, these feet are thinner. This one has an on-off switch here. I don't think I mentioned it. It's not on-off switch. It says car or home. So it has two modes, one for home use and one for car. I don't know what the difference. It should be in the manual.
In car mode, it operates only when the car is moving. If no external vibration is detected, it will enter sleep mode.
That's the bottom part, and you push this up and the switch button fell off. So this one is smaller battery, 1200 milliamps, and I think it was mentioned that it's 2000 in the manual somewhere. Capacity, oh no, it's correct, battery 1200. So they didn't lie here. So the smaller one has a bigger battery. The bigger one has a smaller battery. That's one thing I don't like about this. It's hard to tell if it's on or off. As you saw right now, it was on, but there is no indicator whatsoever. So it will start to make mist every 5 seconds or 3 seconds, or depends. I mean, 5 minutes or 3, or whatever the period of time is. So there is no physical switch that you can tell if it's on the off or the on position, and there is no LED or anything. Same with this one. There are the 3 LEDs. That's where the air comes through this pipe and exits from here. This is the water pump. It's the motor and the pump is contained in one, and the circuit board is similar almost to the other one. That's a USB and the car charging port. I mean the car home switch and the USB port. Also very simple. So I like the construction of this one better because it has a bigger battery and the pump looks stronger maybe. Also I like the LED that gives us the fire effect, and I like that you can see the oil and so you know how much left. This one is aluminium, brushed aluminium. This one is plastic, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, the thing I like about this one is you can put it in the car cup holder. Also the oil, it's separate from the electronics, so in theory we can wash this, take the oil off and wash this compartment, this section, and no need to worry about this one. There is no oil inside because it's all contained here, while this one the oil goes through and it's one unit, so it's hard to wash. You cannot wash this one, but also it's not a big deal, I think. Let's put the button. Okay, I added water here. I want to see what's gonna happen if we add water instead of essential oil. And this may break it, so you should not do that. I'm doing it so you don't have to. And let's see, will it do misting? Hard to see. I don't see anything coming out, but there is a smell coming out, but I don't see any mist. Maybe there is, but it's hard to see. Yeah, water is not the best option. Yeah, there's no humidity. And the winner has to be this one. It's smaller in size. It got the LED fire effect. It has a better capacity battery, and it comes with the essential oil included. And also the essential oil is visible, unlike this one, it's hidden, you don't know how much left. And also it's cheaper than this one. It's $10 cheaper. This one is good if you are using it for a car. It's suitable for cars. That's the only benefit I can see. And also this one, easy to clean. So the winner is this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.